everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Shine. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngenimba. Sikhuluma ngenimba. Yo, abantu abaningi bacasukile ke guys, bacasukile ngale storyline ke esikhona njengamanje ukuthi ke kuleli viki ezoqala njana ze guys ukuthi ke kunama lobola negotiations between the Mandla family and the Bikicha family. So guys ke kuleli viki ke they will actually finalize everything. So the big question guys ukuthi how come bakithi, how come into eyenzeka kuphi ukuthi ke amalobolo abanjelwe kamfazi omdala ngemali kamfazi omdala, because phela uMabandla guys uhlathi akanamali, imali anayo ile ayinike uzoleka kwi-divorce and decide ukuthi ke ama-negotiations ayoyenzelwa emzini kaZoleka guys, ama-negotiation enzelwa emzini kaZoleka ebese athatha ukhazini wakhe futhi. So it's just that nje guys ukuthi yo asazi ukuthi kahle hle why are they doing that to uZoleka. Is uZoleka finally over with ke uMabandla noma ke uhlathi or usaholde inhliziyo to for uThumeka. But guys, uThumeka seems happy. Yonke akudala ifuna for 20 years, but finally it's finally happening. But ukube kuthiwa uZoleka was still in the picture, uMabandla uhlathi ubengeke azamshade ke uThumeka. But uThumeka ngampela uyi-second choice kaMabandla noma ke kahlathi. On the other side guys, uma wethu continue nkosi yami ukuncenga ke uqhawekazi ukuthi ke amlethe into her life after everything that just happened. And guys bathi ke uZoleka on the other side naye ke beno Lazarus, guys failing to balance this thing yale relationship yabo kanye ke nomsebenzi. It's just a lot. Abanye ke they were like guys, hey, what if ke uZoleka is pregnant? Kungaba ingane kabani ngampela? Because I think the drama can continue from there. Qhawe can forgive uma wakhe, can forgive futhi ke uma wethu, but what if umama ke kaQhawe is pregnant? Base bexolelene sebehleli kahle, everything sihamba kahle, then they later find ukuthi uZoleka ukhulelwe ingane ke kama wethu. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Are you still enjoying the storyline? What do you want to see on Inimba? Bye.